السلام عليكم أصحابتا إسلامنا كليلاب maanta joognaa inteena baashaaduna studioheenii aa joognaa our studio this our home so they wanted to go the new song again Revile boy.
Yeah.
First my people was greeted you. They say the song that you edited is very hot. So that what about this song? You're gonna make them hot.
Soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
أصحابتو وكاسا مشى سوى دي جيجين وكاسا هذا استوديو أكلنا.